Are you a fan of this type of fried banana? It is an extremely popular snack found in Asian street food. Today, I am excited to share my secret crispy fried banana with you. It is no-fail recipe for sure. No-fail recipes for sure, okay? These bananas stay crispy even after cooling down. For this batter recipe, you will need 2 or 3 snack-sized bananas. Start by mixing 60 grams of plain flour, 40 grams of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 free-range egg yolk, or you can skip it if you prefer. Add 90 grams of water, and if you're omitting the egg yolk, use 100 grams of water instead. Whisk everything together. And don't forget to include 20 grams of melted butter. Stir until all the ingredients are well blended. In a pan, pour in some olive oil and heat it on high for about 4 minutes. You have the option to cut the entire banana in half slices, or exactly like the video, cut into 3 slices, depending on your preference. Take each banana slice carefully, as they can break easily. You can make whole banana fritters or keep them in halves to form a square shape like in the video. Deep fry the bananas on high heat. Keeping an eye on it, use wooden chopsticks or heat-proof tongs until the bananas turn a lovely golden brown. Drain them on kitchen paper and be cautious not to use overly ripe bananas as they can become too soft while frying. This thick batter version ensures the fried bananas remain crunchy even when they cool down, but they're definitely best enjoyed warm. Now, just look at those beautiful, crunchy fried bananas. This plate of fried bananas is perfect for serving 2 to 4 people as an afternoon snack. I love pairing them with my homemade royal milk tea. If you're interested in learning how to make royal milk tea, just let me know and I will add it to my list for the next video tutorial. Happy cooking, happy eating, and have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Leaving a like and comments really helps support my channel and encourages me to create more delicious recipes for you all. Thanks for watching.